Alright everyone, gather around. Today we're diving into the heart of your PC, the motherboard. Think of it as the nervous system of your computer, connecting all the vital components and making sure they can talk to each other. Without the motherboard, you just have a pile of expensive parts that don't know how to function. It's like a giant circuit board with pathways that allow data to flow between different parts of your computer. The CPU, the RAM, the storage drives, they all plug directly into the motherboard. And just like our nervous system sends signals throughout our body, the motherboard makes sure data gets where it needs to go quickly and efficiently. Now let's talk about the CPU, or central processing unit. This is the brains of the operation, the big cheese, the head honcho. It handles all the calculations and instructions that make your computer run. Imagine the CPU as a super fast calculator that can process millions, even billions of instructions every second. The faster the CPU, the smoother your computer will run, letting you edit videos, play games, and multitask like a pro. Next up, we have RAM, or random access memory. Think of RAM as your computer's short-term memory. It stores information that the CPU needs to access quickly. When you open a program, your computer loads data from the hard drive into the RAM. The more RAM you have, the more programs and files your computer can keep readily available, which means less waiting around for things to load. Before your computer can even think about loading Windows or macOS, it needs a little something called BIOS, or Basic Input-Output System. This is like the wake-up call for your PC. Stored on a small chip on the motherboard, the BIOS runs a bunch of checks when you turn on your computer. It makes sure all the hardware is working properly, and then tells the computer where to find the operating system. Section 5. Expansion slots. Customizing your computing experience. One of the coolest things about motherboards is their expandability. See those long slots on the motherboard? Those are called expansion slots, and they let you add extra hardware to your computer like graphics cards, sound cards, and network adapters. Want to play the latest games with awesome graphics? Pop in a powerful graphics card. Need better audio for your music production? Add a dedicated sound card? The expansion slots give you the flexibility to customize your PC and make it your own. Section 6. Northbridge and Southbridge, directing traffic on the motherboard. Remember how we said the motherboard is like the nervous system? Well, the Northbridge and Southbridge chipsets are like the traffic cops, directing data flow between different parts of the system. The Northbridge usually handles communication between the CPU, RAM, and graphics card, while the Southbridge takes care of slower devices like hard drives, USB ports, and audio. Think of them as specialized controllers that keep everything running smoothly. Section 7. The power supply's role, fueling the motherboard. Of course, none of this would be possible without power, and that's where the power supply unit, or PSU, comes in. The PSU connects to the motherboard and delivers the juice needed to keep everything running. Just like you wouldn't plug a high-powered appliance into a weak outlet, you need to make sure your PSU can handle the power demands of all your components. A good PSU will deliver stable power and protect your hardware from damage. Section 8. Form factors, different sizes, different needs. Motherboards come in different shapes and sizes, called form factors. The most common form factor for desktop PCs is ATX, but there are also smaller form factors like micro ATX and mini ITX. The form factor you need depends on the size of your PC case and the type of components you want to install. Smaller form factors are great for compact builds, while larger ones offer more expansion options. Section 9. The motherboard, a symphony of technology. So, there you have it. The motherboard is like a conductor, orchestrating all the different components of your PC to work together in perfect harmony. From the CPU and RAM to the expansion slots and BIOS, each part plays a crucial role in making your computer the powerful machine it is. Next time you boot up your PC, take a moment to appreciate the amazing technology that's happening right beneath your fingertips.